Here is the reading for August 8, 2026. The rolling 30-day window holds 735 screen signals. The window shed 46 net signals. Material shed 1, intelligence shed 30, network shed 7 and diversity shed 8. About 24.5 screen signals a day made this window. The totals are material 154, intelligence 396, network 102, and diversity 83. The current shape is widening material, widening intelligence, concentrating network, and concentrating diversity. The source map is concrete. SpaceX locks AI stack to Nvidia GPUs from tech.yahoo.com. Vercel Opens v0 as a headless build service from developersdigest.tech. IBM unifies GenAI policy enforcement for USENIX from research.ibm.com. And OpenAI upgrade Sol. Free users get Luna by default from mobigyn.com. The pressure point is Vercel Opens v0 as a headless build service, marked rising. Do not read that as a generic dashboard move. Read it as named control points across hardware, builder infrastructure, policy, and access. The useful test is whether those source-bound moves make capability inspectable, contestable, and shareable today. Conscience is unchanged from the prior edition, with a balanced reading at 45 out of 100. Widening signals lead concentrating ones by 129. The source map is concrete. SpaceX locks AI stack to Nvidia GPUs from tech.yahoo.com. Vercel Opens v0 as a headless build service from developersdigest.tech. IBM unifies GenAI policy enforcement for USENIX from research.ibm.com. And OpenAI upgrade Sol. Free users get Luna by default from mobigyn.com. That named evidence matters because abstraction is where accountability disappears. A balanced score is not comfort. Ask who can inspect the stack, contest the rules, and use the capability beyond the owners. The receipt first read is simple. Keep the source names attached to the power story. Capability becomes public value only when people can inspect where it came from, challenge how it is used, and share in what it makes possible. For the detailed source-by-source Cure evidence, watch today's The Cure Protocol. The link is below this video, where the fresh research, limits, and next targets are laid out in full.